So in my previous video, I mentioned that I don't quite like the stock windshield because in my configuration with my height on the highway I get a little bit of wind on top of my helmet, and I like to see if I can eliminate that. So today I'll do a test. I'll compare the stock windshield with the Werks Parts Quiet Ride windshield that is supposed to be a couple inches taller. I will also use my phone to measure the noise at the highway to see if the new windshield actually makes the ride a little bit quieter. We'll do it with the stock windshield first, and then I'll go home, I'll swap it out to a new windshield, and I'll do the exact same road with the exact same setup, and we'll see if we can measure any difference or feel any difference. It's not too bad today, but I definitely feel wind on top of my helmet. Now turning around, going home, installing the new windshield. Should be an easy process. I have not read the manual, but I expect it to be similar to replacing the windshield on BMW GSA that I've done multiple times before. So probably 2-3 screws that I'll have to take out, get the new glass on, and then we'll repeat this short loop. Go, the first ride, stock windshield, 78 decibel average, 84 max. Now let's go swap out that windshield. And we're done on a test ride. So what are your initial thoughts about this windshield after installation? It does look wider than the stock one. As you can see, it's in the low position right now. I get nice airflow to my helmet. Once I push it into the high position though, at lower speeds, like residential area, 20-30 miles an hour, I get zero wind at all. The weirdest thing is, even at 35 miles an hour, I feel the airflow that is hitting the back of my neck. So I guess the air goes up over my helmet and kind of spirals back and hits my neck, the back of my neck. Super weird. We'll see how it acts on highway. Okay, here we go. On the highway, I do not get any of that wind on my helmet anymore, but I feel like I get a lot more wind from the back. As I mentioned, a lot of it is hitting my neck, and I feel like my helmet has been pushed forward from the back. It's almost as if I, traded the front-facing wind into my helmet for a back-facing wind. I am confused. I'll probably have to use it longer term to determine if I like it or not. And the app says 72 average, 83 max. These definitely seem lower. I think we're at like 78 average, 88 max. So yeah, it does the trick. Makes your ride quieter, and it cuts the wind from the front. So I've had this windshield for about a week now, and I want to give you a quick update. I solved my wind turbulence problem when the air was hitting me at the back of the helmet. All I had to do is basically I take it all the way to the top position, and then from there I lower it by an inch or two, and it just got perfect. It's super quiet, no wind hitting me in the front or the back of my helmet, so that's exactly what I was looking for. And the noise meter app confirmed my experience. So with a stock windshield I was getting 78 decibel on average of noise on the highway, and after installing this quite wide windshield I was getting 70 decibel on average. That's a pretty significant change, and yes, this windshield will stand my bike. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.